Squad, it's your boy Jae and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by, and if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Well, guess what? I'm gonna be rolling a reasoning with
Big Super out here in the park, and you don't know what you think of it live out in the street. What are we on today? What is the topic?
Alright, so Big Super.
Yeah.
So I have a program on my channel that we do every week. On a Tuesday and on a Thursday, we call it What's Your Story?
What's your story?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But guess what now? I do it a little bit different today.
Yeah.
Right?
Well, yeah,
so you see, like how me run into you, right on the location, Big Super. Yeah. We are gonna do all our reasonings right on the spot.
What's your what?
What's your story?
What's your story?
So Big Super, I'm gonna be asking you a couple of questions, and you know we just work with the questions as them come. Let's see if we can fit the light in.
Ask me no tricky question.
No, man, that's some good questions.
So can't take the tricky question. People, me not like the tricky question. Them, them question you put me in a problem. All right, how the question go?
That's some simple questions, man. What's your story is all about? Just getting to know people and based on the work that they are doing, where they're coming from, and where they are. So, the first question I'm gonna be asking you, Big Super, what caused you to get involved in YouTube? Because everybody, first of all, tell them about you as a YouTuber.
Yo, me tell you something. Sit down on my yard and I have nothing to do. Sit down on my yard, I don't have nothing to do. I say, what am I going to do? Because I apply for some taxi work, the road mash up. I can't, I'm going to drive car and all these things for mash up road. If you go find people, $4,000 and $5,000 give them. I say, don't stop, I don't do that.
No.
I don't do that. I say, farming. I look down at the gully. My head, I can't dig up farming. You understand what I say? So it's like, we used to do picards, because I'm a picard specialist. I play my picards on my phone and I do look at animation. And somebody said to me, why not try YouTube? And I say, yo, 1,000 subscribers, not easy to get. 4,000 watch hours, not easy to get. But I say, I'm going to try it. I start the video down at the gully. I start the video of goat, cow, soursop. You name it. I go along on the seaside. My viewers and sub, I go along on the seaside. And I tell you something. Big up Clarity Boss. Clarity Boss. Clarity. Flex Jamaica.
Man,
big up
Flex Jamaica.
I have to big up that brethren. You know
big
why?
up yourself, Andy.
When I there about 200 and 300 odd subscribers, so I don't listen. Him drive and come up to me and say to me, Big Super, video the road. And me tell you something, it's on the day me take on the road, my brethren and so my channel us go. My channel us a sold. Yo, nothing can stop me.
So let me ask you another question, right? So right now, how many subscribers you have?
Right now, me almost, me did 2,700, 2,800.
2,000, almost 2,800.
Yeah, I want about, maybe me get it by me done a video. Yeah.
Right, about 2,800.
I'm want 3,000 before Christmas, so all who watch this, run go over my channel, go do the right, just go do the right thing. Nobody, me not even bother explain, go over there, do the right thing. You understand?
You know, a lot of people, they're looking for a sense of direction sometimes.
Yeah.
What has YouTube done for you since you started your YouTube channel? As a person, what has it done for you?
YouTube done me. YouTube done me a celebrity. Everywhere me go. Yeah, a while ago I go down a church corner and whole I down a church corner and say Big Super. And I step out with my camera, taxi man, fan me down on road and I say, yo, them a tell me about them problem and if you put it out there for them, it sometimes it kind of look a bit bad, you know, because this morning I see a virgin and he complain to me. Here he go say to me now, in a tasty. He go say to me, say, me I said the bridge that take 3 years. Virgin the bridge that take 1 year, it people that say it done already.
True.
You understand? It take too long and that's basically that. Don't bother argue with me about 3 years. Just done the thing.
True.
Make the people them say the thing done. So whether 3 years, 1 year,
but then guess what catch we know, Big Super?
Then time they just sometimes look at negative things then people we kind of come with the thing after a while.
But guess what catch we know? Guess what catch we know, Big Super?
Yeah.
A lot of people now come at us, the messengers.
Yeah, and I look for them.
Them now look on the situation, say, I know really, we have fixed the road, we just carry the message.
We just carry the message.
Or even, like how we done a park, you know, I watch some football.
Yeah.
They're not even looking at the fact that, you know, the whole setting zone here, they might look at it and I say, boy, we being the individuals, we are show them we have something to do with it setting up.
Yeah, for real.
I know that's so.
So when I have to say still, I like touch young people them, you say, young people, no, from where they may put out a message for all young people. YouTube is a good platform for me can make money upon, you know.
For real.
I tell you, say when they're in the yard, I don't know work. I want to go out some work and people are pissing off and Ray, just take up on the camera. I want to brighter than me, you know. I done it school years ago. I want to just feel no brains young. You understand? I say I'm young to the thing. What I say, take up on the camera, call up 1,000 on a friend and tell them to subscribe, watch out on the thing. Within 6 months, it take me 1 year. It take me 1 year and 4 months. It take them all 3 months because they're brilliant. So me I put out the appeal to the younger generation. Hit YouTube platform.
And then another thing too.
Yeah.
Get around people who actually do the thing. Because Big Super miss out part of the story. Him left out part of the story.
That man did help me. People to my video. That man did help me too. Him did help me too. He did have a group where he put me in. I just remember, yo,
right.
My brains are good.
And everywhere me I go me carry him.
Yeah.
If I'm visiting another YouTuber, I'm tell him, you Big Super come in. We'll go over so and such channel.
Yeah, that man did help.
And let me tell you why I do that.
Live and all this.
Let me tell you why I do that.
Yeah.
Because you see lives when other YouTubers are do live.
Yeah.
It's important for you to get involved.
Yeah, that's true.
You understand?
Yeah.
Because people are gonna know you and people will tell somebody and somebody will tell somebody.
Yeah, collab them call it.
Collabs.
You see, if you do a lot of collaboration with other YouTubers, other people on the next platform see you and love you and come across. So collab is very good to all YouTubers. So nobody thinks that you alone can do it.
No, you can't do it.
TikTok boss. Big up TikTok boss. Anyway you're there. You make sure that piece of come out.
Hold on. Maybe I go give you opportunity in a big you move some Big Super. Big Super, you move some. Maybe I go give you an opportunity to big up everybody. You know where you do? Yeah. Big up everybody where you know.
Hold on. It's a TikTok boss. I can't leave him out of nothing.
Yes.
When me there are 600 I don't know. TikTok boss. Collab. Bring me a 800 I don't know.
Yeah.
Go up on TikTok, big up T-Nation every flipping time. Every time, my brethren, collab. You have to learn to collab. Do some collab and it will help grow on the channel fast.
Yeah man, meet people and don't be afraid.
Yeah, and what I say, it's anything you do, you have to persistent. YouTube is a platform where you have to persistent. So you can't say I do it today. Like me meet a brethren right here.
Yeah.
Him tell me say him have about 100 subscribers. I'm about him to start over a channel. So how you mean start over?
I reach now.
So I mean say to the 100 odd people will come for your channel. I this them because you have to delete the channel with them. But remember them go through all the whole of this training to come join you, you know.
Yeah.
And you go delete them and start a new channel. It didn't come over the next one or
No.
Nah, go work some brethren. So
by the way guys, sorry for the background noise. You don't know World Cup season now with the in the park.
Yeah, we're there at the Sir Elder.
We do something different in St. Thomas, you know.
Yeah.
We turn the park in our football stadium.
Yeah.
Hold on, make it a little sneak peek. Let's come Big Soup. Come on. I'm sure now I go on my viewers and subscribers. That's how we do it at St. Thomas. So in case no other parish now really follow the thing, that's how we do it over here. So we do it different in the east. You understand?
Yeah.
We set up the park and everybody can just come and enjoy themselves. Who don't have TV at them yard, them can come sit down. Who have TV but they don't have no internet, you can come in the park and come watch. You now miss your match. Big Super, back to you.
B is not a politician, you see? But big up me mayor. Big up the what they call him, deputy mayor, MP. All of them politician people will make this thing possible. All of them know so Big Super not really like politician, but you have to big them up because
when
them,
they do good, they have to big them up.
You understand? Give one to Caesar what you want to him. So and them make all of this work, especially my side Brazil.
Yeah.
Yesterday,
Big up Brazil.
All who did watch me live. Every time Brazil play, my life over there. So you know that already. How many reaching the conversation for you take?
Yeah, you dare tell them about the youth with the 100 and how him this the crowd.
Yeah, him say him going to start over a new
Can't do that.
When you're in a YouTube, my virgin, and when you take on the journey, people, all your neighbor them now will subscribe to you. Don't feel sad because I watch you see if you really have to take on the thing. You understand me? So nobody say, well, I'm ask my neighbor to subscribe to me and my neighbor not subscribe to me. Give your neighbor watch you. You must say watch up because if the boy are really serious.
You know?
He said the neighbor look and see you reach all 400 or 500. He must jump on the ship fast.
I'll tell you another thing to Big Super.
Yeah.
I want directly talk to you them just like we Super talk about to change your mind and stop the YouTube at 100. Watch this. You have 100 people stand up in a room round you. Look how much people that you actually have. It's a crowd that you have. Zin? So guess what? Think about that 100 that I go tell another 100. Because everybody tell somebody else in a Big Super. That is the thing, you know. We don't keep secret when they come to good things. On a channel, if you're putting out good content, rest assured that person that go tell somebody, hey, you watch the video with Big Super, he might talk about the road I'm be, you know.
Let me show you something.
And he will tell somebody and somebody will tell somebody. Believe me, it works.
What I learn about YouTube. It's a documentary that I watch and never share it. The man from the documentary said there is no such thing as a bad video. I never share that with him because I know for only fault out there. Where I just come on YouTube.
No bad video.
Oh no, I want to make my background on the side so white.
Maybe your shirt.
No, this is a hold up a white over the sunlight.
I sunlight I hit you right. Look at you, change your light.
No, don't go down look up.
See there? We're good now. We're good.
Oh, no, sit down back on the bed.
We're good, man.
The tree block it out. No, the tree block it out. No, the tree block it out.
See it there?
Yeah, the tree block it out. But let me tell you something still. There is no such thing as a bad video. And it's really true. Because you know what? Me make some videos, you see, when me I say to myself, Lord God, the people are not going to watch that. And when me look and see the amount of views and subscribers will come in for it, and I say, blow out. I'll
give a perfect example of that, Big Super.
Yeah.
Me have a video where me do some time ago and it spoiled because I actually put an audio upon the video and it take out the whole of the talking. It masks the talking. And I'll tell you what, Big Super, that's one of my video we get the highest amount of views.
That's what I tell you.
Because the only thing we did today, you know the song was saying, oh no, and that me drop on it.
And that you drop on it.
And I tell you, it just keep a go.
So there is no such thing as a
bad video.
There is no bad video. Just do what I have to do and make some money. YouTube have a whole lot of money at that way. See if you can get some money. The time when you're there, need a whole lot of people and I keep up some badness and working at people shop at night time and I do all this crazy foolishness. The police take on just take on a camera, see there on a smartphone.
Everybody have a smartphone.
Get on a smartphone, you don't need more than less than 15 minutes. Boom, on 15 minutes video and shut it up.
Yeah.
3 or 4 times a day. Just divide the day them in the week. Monday, maybe Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you know you have to put one pan Sunday because everybody in front of them TV.
Yeah.
You know, do your thing, my general.
You can live.
You can live.
You don't have to work for nobody.
Right now. Me have fight. I want to reach 10,000 subscribers for really
comfortable.
So what me they a fight. But me ask them for help, see where me not give up.
You want to tell them a little secret too?
Yeah. Any amount of work you put in on YouTube.
That you get out.
That you go and get out. That no people don't understand. Because people see me and say, Big Super. Oh, you pay a thing, but me I tell them to what I know. You say, if you don't work this month, sorry for you know.
Not getting up here.
YouTube no work so.
And if you not get views?
Yeah. You have to constantly put in work to get out. Things come out. So yeah,
right.
You know what I say? If you sit down on the yard, I wonder what to do.
Stop idle, man.
Take your smartphone. If I even the phone in the coupe and make up nice and your head go video.
Show them again, see.
Yeah man, see that?
Yeah,
it's Big Super. Print up on the t-shirt to people.
No, get your merch, man.
Yeah.
Hey, let me tell you something. The other day, I tried a test run. But you see ASMRs? I have a little clipping. I travel from Montego Bay and I come through Portland.
Yeah.
And me take a shot of the ocean, Big Super. Nothing else, just a shot of the ocean.
That's the ocean alone.
Zin?
Yeah.
And I do an ASMR. I drop it as an ASMR. Yeah. And Big Super, I can tell you this. Yeah. In space of 10 minutes, I reach 1,000 views.
It's so God good.
Just by putting up and put hashtag ASMR.
Yeah.
1,000 views in 10 minutes.
ASMR. Oh.
The people listen to it because it's soothing.
To the ear.
Yeah. So are different, you know?
And you know, so 1,000 views.
1,000 views.
Around 5 or 10 subscribers.
Yeah.
You understand what I say?
So saying that to say this, the opportunities are endless on YouTube.
Yeah.
It endless.
Yeah.
I feel just get serious and say, you know what? I'll get out there and I'll go just get some work done. As Big Super tell you a while ago, whatever you put in a YouTube that you'll get out. If you take a break, your money take a break as well. You're working for yourself, so consider it as a business.
I'm telling you something, you see, YouTube is a 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year job.
Yes.
No break, no night. It's all when I see me sit down and I walk, and I look, I don't see me I eat lunch, I think how to make the next video. The brains can't rest, me have to always look for a viral moment to take opportunity.
Set a timetable.
Me, I try to put in the work to reach 100,000 to get the trophy. You understand me? See other people get the plaque and all these things. Big Super want it too.
Same thing for me, guys. Are the same thing, you know. Support the thing, help, watch the videos, them subscribe. Just keep up the numbers. You understand? Because guess what? We're actually doing this so that we don't have to idle. You understand what I say? Because there are so many people out there where just waste time and not do nothing. We are actually actively doing the reporting when enough people now do. Yeah. We are showing the things that you're not going to see in the media. Yeah. You understand what I mean?
And realizing that the media not too popular in St. Thomas.
Yeah. Nobody really talk about nothing yet.
So it's when time we highlight St. Thomas,
people see things are going
on. Even the people in St. Thomas love it. Because they say, yo, nobody don't know about this, nobody know. You understand what I say? Even the Prime Minister.
Even we ourselves sometimes don't know certain things that St. Thomas.
Because one of the things when we discover one day about St. Thomas, It's about a community name where near Arcadia, and one near Winchester, and the next one near Peachtree River. And them don't know the next two look. Don't know the next two look. You couldn't believe it. And them the phone threw away. Because a man was going in the community, nobody go over next door, go look for one. And my video look for and I say, neighbor that over there, so.
See?
You understand me? So you find say it's good and it's bad, but it's more good.
Yeah.
We have to try to bring out the more good and leave the bad out of the thing. You understand me? I say? So we pick up the people them, we pick up the fans them, we pick up everybody, big super trying best.
Yeah.
Them see me a road and pick up on them vehicle, you know.
Yeah.
Because them now make me walk again, you know. Them me a walk from Prospect to come to Maran Bay. 100 taxi and 100 car now stop and pick me up.
Because people get to know you.
People know so that the work me I do, I say, why big super, why I like it. Come to the car.
Yeah.
So no for you see me I talk with people in a car. And people pick me up and talk with me in a car. Because people also me make St. Thomas a part of my channel. You understand? Me no bother island, me no bother do like the rest of bloggers. Me just go up on the street and make me and the people them just talk up their mind.
Yeah. Alright, so Big Super, I want you to look straight at the screen. I want you to just encourage somebody who might, you know,
So
feel
them
down.
for me, give them the whole of encouragement.
Yeah man, give them something specifically right now. You know?
Boy, he's not a praying person, but yeah, what me I say, you see, when we used to go to school, we used to get old by beating for Psalms 1. Blessed is the man that walketh not in the counsel of the ungodly, nor standeth in the ways of sinners, or sitteth in the seat of the scornful. So what me I say, it's anybody who you down here now, me the down one time, sometimes suicide upon your mind, me go through all of them things too. Me not say it to people, but now curious see a man look. The great Michael Jackson, he have much money, you see where him go through and gone. So don't know what I put on yourself through all of them stressors. You see anything when you say too much, you know, I'm afraid to let it go and walk with it. Me live at St. Thomas, me once a day in Kingston. You understand what I say? And other people at the other places and I wonder how them are going to move to our next level. Nobody ask yourself how you're going to move to our next level. Just let go that level there and move. Because if you continue on a lower level, it will carry you down. And sometimes you know the answer, you know, but you don't have the courage to make the decision. You have to find the courage. You have to pray and ask the Lord to help you. And the next thing is that you have to always have good friend. Good friend help you now. You see, if you don't have good friend, you won't get good help.
Yeah.
Yes. So one of the key things to life is surround yourself with good people. You can't go wrong. When you go down, one of them, 1 out of the 100 must pull you up. That me is a big super.
So alright, super, you know. Wake up yourself and thank you once again, bro.
Yeah man, yeah me Jenna.
Yes man, thanks once again for the link and thank you guys for the support, thank you guys for watching and thank you also for racking up the views. We're really grateful. Remember to hit the subscribe button, remember to hit the like button. Also turn on all notification bells so you'll never miss another video from us. And as we always say on this channel, Jae says, and we are out of